Let's say that you are outside and you don't have the laptop with you and you have the phone with Claude app installed, the same signed in version, both in the desktop application as well as in the phone, right? I have this Sunrise Bakery Sales.csp in my dispatch folder in desktop. You can ask the question as I am showing you on the screen, for example, to create a brief summary out of this, and I'm providing it where the data is all about. And in my desktop, I have that CSV folder, CSP in that folder. You can see in real time that same message synced into my desktop applications, and it is providing me the summary as I go. And again, I ask it to create a simple chart out of it, and maybe I put the phone in my pocket. When I go home, I will be having this chart being created, and it even shows that your chart is being created inside the phone itself, but in the phone it might not render properly, but here it will be showing in the desktop the chart. And at the same time, this is the dispatch, but if you go on the left side, there is the new chart also being created for each prompt you provided. It will enhance the prompt that you have written and then provide the summary here, as well as you ask another prompt. Here you can see it even writes the enhanced version of that prompt and created a chart here. I can click this and it opens as an artifact just besides it, and you have a chart being ready when you are at. This is what I will be showing you in this video. Let's get started. This is video number 14 in the Claude AI series. If you are new to the Claude AI, I recommend you go through other videos that might help you get into today's video about Claude Cowork. Before going into the actual content, let me go to this documentation where Claude has mentioned this assign tasks to Claude from anywhere in the Cowork. It is available as a research preview in Cowork on Pro and Max plans. It requires both Claude desktop app as well as these Claude mobile applications. There are some requirements. You need to have this Claude desktop application that is only in this desktop, so it is not available in this web version of it. And you need to have this Claude mobile app, and the same account needs to be logged in both desktop application as well as this Claude mobile applications. You should have at least a Pro or a Max plan and an active internet connection because it connects in real time. Just to understand also how it works, instead of starting a new session for each task, you have a single persistent thread with Claude. This thread does not reset. You can do the reset, but it's in the same thread. Claude retains the context from previous text or task, so you can pick up where you left, right? How it works, you message Claude from your phone on the way to work, then follow up from your desktop when you sit down. It's the same conversation, same context wherever you go. So this is the get started thing. I have already connected this for the first time, but if you are completely new and want to get started, please follow this one. It's easier for you to get started because I have already connected my phone with the desktop, Claude desktop applications already. The steps are quite simple. Just follow these steps. Go here and do this setup. Once that is done, you can just go here and see. But one thing that I want to mention, there are many things that you can do. Retrieve files, there is the memory thing, schedule tasks and routines, computer use and so on. But you need to be really careful about the safety considerations. Always before enabling this, make sure that you trust every app and service in the chain if you are using this computer use. Understand what files and accounts are accessible and know how to quickly disconnect or revoke the access. That is also you need to know, because maybe something goes wrong. You need to be careful into that. And there is this current limitations also. Your desktop must be active. There is a button there also to make it active. Runs outside the virtual machine. You need to be careful about that. And one continuous thread. There is no way to start a new thread or manage multiple threads. These are the limitations. I will just show you about the simple file uses and creating some diagrams, but you get the idea. You can just go here and do whatever you want. Now let me open the Claude desktop. This is the Claude desktop. I have manually disabled this. Dispatch is off. I will go to the settings, and here in the settings there is this Cowork. And in the dispatch, I am enabling this dispatch. But for you, when you were connecting, it will be already on. I will go to the dispatch here on the left. You can see this is the dispatch here. So now I will open the phone. So you can see on the left, that is the screen recording of my phone. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to type the message in the real time in my phone. Here I will paste something. I'm saying here, can you check my Sunrise Bakery sales CSV from the dispatch folder inside this Claude Cowork folder in downloads. Inside the downloads, I have that, and I'm saying write a brief summary. I will just send here, and you can see now it is showing same thing on both places. In the Claude desktop also on the right side, you can see there, and in my phone also, this is syncing in real time. Now it will be asking me to allow to go into that particular folder. I can just allow this from my phone. I will say allow once. So now you can see it says here read, and it is again asking me also the inside folder Claude Cowork. I will say again allow for that, and now it is going into it, and it says allow Claude to work in the downloads, right? It is still asking me this. I will say allow once. Now once this is done, you can see something is happening here in the desktop, right? In the phone you can see there is this icon going on, also shown in the desktop version. There is already a new thread or chat being created here. You can see on the left side here there is the Sunrise Bakery sales summary, and it is saying here dispatch on the front, so you know that that is coming from the dispatch. Okay, now it is showing the message in the desktop, as well as I can now read in my phone. Here is the summary from your Sunrise Bakery CSV, and it is providing me the answer. You can just be in your phone anywhere and have your desktop applications accessing your local files locally, and then you can just have everything in your phone. Now if I go to this dispatch chat, you can see here it is saying, okay, the user wants you to read this. It is providing the prompt that I provided, and it is recreating that prompt in the way that it understands for this chat. And now it is using 3 tools, and it is providing me the answer. Then I can go to my desktop and see, but in the phone itself I can already see this one. One additional thing I want to see here, I want to have a simple chart, right? I will say here, can you create a simple chart out of this information? I will just send this one. In real time you can see it is also sent there, and once this is done, let's see what happens here. It is going into the new chat. This is the second conversation that I am having into it, and you can see on the left side there is a new chat appearing here, and it says on it, building a chart with daily revenue and a breakdown by item. I will have it ready in a moment. One thing to notice here, if you want this to work, as I mentioned you in this announcement or documentation, you need to have this keep awake. If I hover on top of it, it says when enabled, Claude will prevent your computer from going to sleep. Because let's say you are taking your phone somewhere and you want something, but if your computer is asleep, it will not work. You can make this on so that it will prevent the computer to go into sleep. And also there is a thing called allow all browser actions. This one is the computer use. I'm not going to show the computer use right now. It's up to you. Now it says it's going on, and now I go to this new chat here. You can see it is saying create a clean, visually appealing HTML diagram and so on. There is the prompt. You can see I just ask it, can you create a simple chart out of these informations in the phone, right? And here it is creating all this big prompt, and it is working on it. So you can see all the things are being created, and I can just follow that from the dispatch, meaning that once this is done, I can go back to my desk and then see the chart being created. It will take some time depending upon how big the dashboard or the chart needs to be. Before I tried the same thing, but it took around 4 minutes, but it depends. So this is the idea of it. But now I hope you get the idea how it works. You can control the Claude Cowork from your phone and then have the task done for you when you are away. And now it says your chart is ready. It includes daily revenue across the week and a full item breakdown with summary cards at the top for quick highlights. It took around 3 minutes again here. Now if I go to this dispatch, and now here it is these artifacts being created. If I go into it, you can see the artifacts is here, and there is a good chart being shown here. when you are away, there is already this chart being created. And in the dispatch, the idea of dispatch is to show you that the task is done. This way you get the information, and now you can see there is still some informations being shown. It says that I will include a daily revenue and so on. It's still saying it is working, but it takes some time. Even sometimes if you want a simple diagram, it will show already in the dispatch the diagram, but it depends if it's how big of the diagram or the dashboard it needs to be. Either you can just go into the chart and then here you can modify more things, right? If you go to this plus icon here, and now here you can see this is the connectors. One thing that I noticed that it is missing, or maybe this is in the preview, because this is still in the Cowork, right? But here I cannot see these connectors. Although I had these connectors already being connected, I cannot go directly into the connectors. Just to show you the example, if I go to the new task, here I can show that there is this connectors being connected. But if I go to the one from the dispatch, I saw these connectors here, and I can go here and manage connectors. It's already connected, but for some reason I cannot use the connectors. Maybe in the pro version it is not available. Maybe this is only in the max version, or I don't know what might be the issue, but you get the point here. Now you can just do the task in your Claude desktop from your phone and have your task being ready. And if you want to explore more, there is also the thing called, you can just schedule it also. Here you can schedule the task and so on. It's up to you how far you want to go. That's all I want to show you in this video. Now you get the idea about the dispatch. You can control your Claude desktop from your phone. That's all for the video. I hope you learned something new. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.